Volume 203, Draw number 17. Let's go! Elves today, or so I think. They seem to be missing. Come here, Julie. No, Rocket is missing. The elf hat. Okay, let's go. We got lots of prizes to pick from. Here, I'm gonna pick one. I'm just gonna get started. This is Ann Heather.
Hi!
Hi, that's Sam Elf. This is for Ann Heather. And Heather. Okay. Here. Pick a prize. Whoa, Lupas. How? Right now, just choose one. Okay.
Oh!
Oh, you get a bracelet. And he's a bracelet. Congratulations. I want you to get her. Alright. Alright, Rocket, you're gonna pick a prize. This is a lot of prizes, so pick one from the middle. Alright. Found it? Oh, Evelyn Matthews. You get a 15% off coupon from Ekaterina Christian collection. Congratulations. How are you gonna see this name? Alright, Evelyn Matthews, 15% off Ekaterina Christian collection. Alright. Next is the Disappearing Elves, and this is Sabrina Ellers. Sabrina Ellers is getting a going to get one. Yes. Alright, a 15% off Ellen Let's Go collection. Congratulations! 15% off Ellen Let's Go collection.
Christmas.
Alright. Get another name. Julie. Julie, come here. Get a name, please. Stacy's Ritzy DP Crafts. Alright, which one? Oh, Stacy's Ritzy DP Crafts. Diamond Painting Crafts. It gets a $20 gift card. Congratulations. Alright, name please. Okay, Rocket. Alright, name. Alright. Oh, Lisa Russo, you are getting a Boracay bracelet. Anklet. Okay. I got the name. L.I.J. L.I.J. You are getting, you're gonna pick a prize? Okay. Middle. Alright.
Oh, it's a me.
Oh. L.I.J. You win a mystery diamond paint diamond art by chart. L.I.J. You win a mystery diamond art by chart. Congratulations. And the last one for this draw is Samantha Bishop. Samantha Bishop, what are you gonna get?
Oh, mystery.
10% discount coupon for Samantha Bishop. Congratulations!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, that's it.
Decoration! Congratulations!
All right, right. Looks like we still have one more name here, and this is Valerie Bhutan, and you get one prize. What will you get? What will you get? Let's see. This is what you get: $10 gift card for Valerie Bhutan. Or Boutin, Valerie Boutin, $10 gift card for Valerie Boutin. And alright, then that is it for this draw. Thank you and toodaloo.
Bye bye. Say goodbye, Chickaloo.